So today I have a squishy package. And I got it from 101 Squishies. And I just only ordered 3 things from her, so yeah. And here's the package. It says Squishies on it. There's stars and hearts. And yeah, it's already open, so yeah. Now, let's get started with the Squishies. I'm really excited. I hope it's not very bad. You guys get the first one. Pull down. Okay. One will just go like that. Okay. First thing. Notes. Oh my gosh. I got my notes. I got my notes. So here's the note, and I'm gonna read it to you guys, cause she brings 2 notes. One is the order in the squishy bag, a squishy package, and she said thank you for ordering me, and I hope you get from 101 Squishies. This is not homemade. Oh yes, it is homemade, and this is not even fake. I'm serious, this is not fake. She just gave it to me. And this is smiley face and like it's like sync package. Oh, finally my order, so I don't lose my mind that I was like thinking of the package. That's not funny. So first thing I ordered is a car squishy, a bar squishy, and a squeeze toy. And I didn't spell squeeze toy because the spelling was very wrong. And yeah, I ordered 3 things. Oh, I ordered the little golden bar because I didn't want the big one, so yeah. So I think this is my my squeeze toy. Yeah, my squeeze toy. Even though when I'm finishing this video, I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So yeah, now it's time for squishies. Oh, I think this is my golden bar. It looks pretty goldish. Let's squish it. That's kind of squishy. But yeah. Okay. Now, I think this is my car. She didn't color it because I didn't want it to be colored, so yeah. This is very squishy, but not that squishy, so yeah. And that was my squishies. I hope you liked it. Make sure to give a thumbs up, and you can give a thumbs down if you don't like it. So. And also, you guys can follow me on Musical.ly, and my title is Louisa Merrily. Yeah, Merrily. If you don't even know how to spell my name, it's Alisa and Maryle. So that's my title for the music, and give it a subscribe. If you want me to order another squishy package, I will do that right now. I'm gonna do a squishy update too. And yeah. So I think this is not the worst, but see you guys later. Bye.